again guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, it will be another exciting video for all of you guys kasi tayo ay magre-review na naman ng isang trending na product dito sa YouTube beauty community, and it is said to be not just a lip product but also a cheek product. So I will be reviewing this Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte Lipstick or cheek tint. So without further ado, if you want to know my thoughts about this product, just keep on watching. By the way guys, I believe this Maybelline Liquid Matte retails for 219 pesos sa mga Maybelline counters, but I bought mine to Shopee and I will put the screenshot of the Maybelline official store nila sa Shopee. Last week ko lang siya nabili guys. Nabili ko siya on sale. Instead of 219 pesos, 199 na lang siya. So medyo nakasave ako doon. And sorry guys if I haven't purchased all the shades kasi marami pa akong mga lip products and I think it's impractical to buy more lip products na hindi ko naman magagamit. Guys, I only bought one and the shade that I bought is yung number 6 Best Babe. So talking about the packaging guys, it is sent to me na ganito lang, wala siyang box and nakaseal siya. Kasulat lang sa kanyang seal is yung color ng lip product and then yung ingredients. And sa bottom part ng lip product is makikita nyo yung number ng shade ng lippy and then yung name niya sa may bottom part. So makikita nyo rin yung manufacturing date niya. Pero guys, wala siyang naka-indicate kung kailan siya mag-expire, so that's really important for us consumers kasi para malaman natin kung safe pa ba gamitin yung product. So sana mabigyan ng pansin yon ng Maybelline. Yun guys, let's start with the review. So we will open this. So ayan guys, when opening the packaging, so it is just in a plain acrylic na lalagyan and nakalagay pa rin yung Maybelline New York Sensational Liquid Matte, and then wala ka nang makitang iba pa na mga print sa body ng acrylic container niya. And then yun pa rin, makikita mo pa rin naman yung number ng shade and then yung pangalan ng shade and manufacturing date sa bottom. When it comes to the scent of this product, ang bango niya guys, parang vanilla scent siya. So it is really the scent that I really like. Lalo na sa mga cologne, gusto ko talaga yung mga vanilla, yung mga basta yung mga fresh and sweet na mga scent. So I like the scent of this lippy. So now guys, let us proceed to the swatch of this lip or cheek tint. Before I swatch it to my cheeks and lips, I will be swatching it to my hands muna guys para makita natin kung blendable ba siya. So yan ang color niya guys at the back of my hand. And then swatch natin siya guys kung possible ba talaga siyang maging cheek tint. So far, parang blendable naman yung product. So, we will proceed on the lip and cheek swatches. Guys, before natin siya iswatch sa ating lips, let's start first with our cheeks. By the way guys, hindi ako naglagay ng maraming products sa aking face. I just put my L'Oreal Infallible na foundation and then ang naset ko lang ng powder is yung forehead ko tsaka yung dito. Basta hindi ako naglagay ng powder dito na side kasi alam ko maglalagay tayo ng cheek tint para hindi naman mahirap i-blend yung ating product. So yan guys, when it comes to cheek tint, madali lang naman siyang i-blend. Parang mas madali siyang mag-set unlike nung ibang mga tints na or cheek tints kasi usually diba ang mga cheek tints is water or gel base. First time kong makagamit ng matte na cheek tint, so medyo bilisan lang natin yung pag-blend guys kasi mabilis siyang mag-set. Now guys, let us proceed to the other side. So yan guys, as I can see on my mirror, maganda naman yung color payoff as a cheek tint. So let's proceed to the lips. So guys, for the lips, pwede daw siyang maging gradient lips and full on na lip product sa ating lips. So I will do first the gradient lips or yung Korean lips na style. So guys, lalapit ako ng konti. So I will just put a little product sa my inner lower lip ko. And also to my upper lip. So far guys, kasi hindi ako nakalagay ng lip balm earlier, so medyo may dryness ako dito sa aking inner lips. Medyo na-accentuate niya konti yung dryness. Ang feeling naman ng lip tint sa aking lips. Hindi naman siya mabigat and hindi mo feel na meron kang lip product sa iyong lips. Maganda siya maging lip tint. I could say, mabe-blend mo naman siya ng maayos. So, this is how the gradient lips look. Guys, let's proceed to full-on na lips. We will use it as a full-on lipstick. So, hindi ko nabuburahin yung gradient lips, guys, kasi sobrang thin layer lang naman yung nilagay ko. And kung may makikita man akong pangit na resulta sa pagpatong ko ng another layer, then I will state it in this clip. Ito na siya, guys, as a full-on lipstick sa aking lips. So, as I've said earlier, guys, nung na-gradient lips tayo, hindi naman siya mabigat sa lips. And ganun pa rin, nung pinatungan ko siya ng another layer, hindi siya mabigat sa lips. And wala naman akong napansin na mga hindi kaaya-ayang tingnan sa lips. Though, mas ma-accentuate niya yung ating lines sa ating lips. Pero hindi naman siya drying. Sakto lang, hindi siya drying na klase na lip product. Medyo may konting lagkit lang siya na feeling on siguro hindi kasi siya nag-set pa. So, yan, guys. May konting lagkit pa siya kasi hindi pa siya totally na-set. But I could say it's very lightweight and maganda naman yung feeling. Hindi mo talaga feel na meron kang nilagay na lip product sa iyong lips. So, yan, guys. Yan ang ating swatches. And let's now discuss about the price of this product. For me, guys, yung 219 pesos is very sulit na for kikay girls out there. Check this out on your Maybelline counters na malapit sa inyo. And if you wanna purchase more products sa Maybelline, I suggest that you should also visit the Maybelline official store nila sa Shopee kasi every now and then nagkakaroon sila ng sale. And ito nabili ko lang for only 199 pesos na on sale. When it comes to the color payoff, since isa lang yung lip shade na meron ako, maganda naman yung Best Babe and I highly recommend it to everyone. I believe maganda siya for both for morena and for mga mapuputi. For the packaging, it is in a acrylic simple type na lalagyan. So, okay na okay sa akin yung packaging niya. Ang yun lang talaga, guys, wala silang nilagay na expiry date. So, sana mapagtuunan nila yun ng pansin. So, yun, guys, ang aking masasabi sa Maybelline New York Sensational Liquid Matte na lipstick or lip and cheek tint, kung ano man tawag nila dito. Yun, guys, by the way, I will do a wear test and kakain ako ng lunch and I will update you guys kung ano na itsura ng aking lips and cheeks all throughout the day. So, guys, update lang ako. Kakatapos ko lang kumain ng lunch and as I can see, yung lip product natin is medyo naglighten lang yung inner part pero meron pa namang naiwan dito sa outer and hindi naman ako kumain ng oily food and okay pa rin naman siya tingnan pero sa cheeks hindi na masyadong kita yung tint kasi panay punas ko ng pawis kanina, guys, kasi ang init-init. Siguro naka-apekto din yun kaya nabura na siya. Ilang hours pa lang nagamit ko siya and it is already 4 hours na gamit ko yung Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte na lip and cheek tint. So, yun, guys. Back to the outro. So, guys, that's it for my swatches and wear test of this Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte Lipstick or Lip and Cheek Tint. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video if you did. And also to subscribe down below if you haven't done yet. And also click the bell button beside it so you will be notified on my next upload. So, yun, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye!